অল ডে প্রোগ্রাম চলছে আমাদের।
A kingdom of isolation and love. Let it go, let it go. Jump up high, listen to the music and jump up high. Come on children, clap.
বিহুরে লগন কাছে বাতাসে লাগিল রে, বিহুর সাজি সবার মাঝে আসিল রে।
Wasting water, but we also know that water is indispensable. Water, do you have anything more to say? No. Rainfall have to appear in the witness box. My lord, everybody lazy fall on the road floor, uselessly make a big mess even in cities. I could be used to water plants, to wash vehicles and is purified, even to drink. Why can't people have some rain when I fall? I fall for them, not for me.
Our school is a English medium CBSE board school. We have done 21st. It was our annual sports day, and today we are doing our cultural program. Try to give each and every student a stage to perform. We have done solo song, English songs, dramas, and so many, I think, dance performances. All we have a bunch of mixed up each and everything. Today we have present already a drama on the scarcity of the water and how the water is being misused by all the humans, and every water body is very not comfortable with us because we are misusing, we are making them dirty. That's why the theme of the drama was that. And else all these are the dance programs and few, I think, songs. All these are the mixed bag of each and everything we have presented in the cultural program. We have lot more, I think, lot more dances or this is the cultural program we have done on the 21st sports program.
Name please, madam.
My name is Sayyeda Farah Anjum, Holy Mission School, as I am working as a principal as well as I am the owner and the principal both.
ওরা ক্রমান্বয়ে কিন্তু ওদের অগ্রগতির রূপরেখাটা তৈরি করতে পেরেছে।
আরো উত্তরোত্তর শ্রীবৃদ্ধি ঘটুক এই কামনা করি।
আমাদের সেকেন্ড ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ বেঙ্গলিও রয়েছে, সেকেন্ড ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ হিন্দিও রয়েছে। যারা হিন্দি ভার্সনই,
আপনাদের প্রচেষ্টা থাকে ব্যাপকভাবে ইংরেজি ভাষার উপরে দখলদারিত্ব অর্জন।
এক্স্যাক্টলি।